everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the 5-minute quick finisher for the upper body without any equipment at all. It's just the body weight finisher for you. 5 minutes, 5 exercises. Let's get started. So in 10 seconds we're starting with push-ups. We're gonna be doing as many as we can on our toes. Then we're gonna drop down on knees. There we go. Okay, 10. If you need to drop down on your knees, you can absolutely do this. No worries at all. It's 1 minute, so... Okay, stretch for a second. Go back stronger. Woo! Brilliant job, everyone. Now we're doing Superman pull, so lay down, extend your arms, and now lift and pull. And down. Lift, pull and squeeze, extend, down. Inhale up, exhale pull and extend, inhale up, exhale lower down. Okay, brilliant. Now, plank position from here. We have transition to down dog. We're doing 1 down dog push-up and back transition to plank. Transition to down dog, push-up, into plank. Down dog, push-up, plank. Down dog. Push-up, plank, down dog, push-up, plank. Keep going. Down dog, push-up, plank, down dog, push-up, plank. Last one. Nice job. And now tricep dips, my favorite. I'm joking. Okay, get ready and drop down, up, bend your elbows, bend, extend, bend, extend. Bend, extend. Oh, my triceps are on fire. Okay, the last one, finishing with shoulder circles. Thank God. I'm gonna go for 30 seconds each side. Circle, circle, circle. and reverse. Oh, almost there. Brilliant job, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. This was your 5-minute upper body weight quick finisher. That was amazing. Well done. Make sure you check in with using hashtags JVFit and tag me in your photos so I can see your amazing progress, hard work and results. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can continue bringing more free, fun challenges for you. If you're looking for an at-home workout program, make sure you visit my online fitness studio at joanav.fit. Join me there and the rest of the community, because to get the best results you need to follow a schedule, a structured program. Tons of variety: Pilates, bar, cardio, bands, CrossFit. You'll be amazed and I promise you'll stay consistent. See you there.